Hello, here we are at this first video of quick tips on Revit. In these videos, we'll explore a series of commands that the novice user typically learns over the years of using the program. Let's begin. The first trick I want to show you is to customize the keyboard shortcuts. This method will not only allow you to be more comfortable in reaching all the most common commands, but will allow you to become a very fast Revit modeler. To change the keyboard shortcuts, we must go to the View tab, select the user interface, drop-down menu, and click on Keyboard Shortcuts. A dedicated window will open, which includes each Revit command and, for the commands that have already assigned them, the relative shortcut. From this tab you can also check all the existing preset shortcuts. My advice is to place the main key shortcuts for the Edit tab, Copy, Move, Offset, Shrink, Extend, Mirror, etc. on the left side of the keyboard. In this way, the left hand will be able to work without moving, and you will have to take your right hand off the mouse very rarely. I hope I have been helpful. See you at the next Revit advice.